Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a channel for all Final Cut Pro plugins, tricks, tips, just to help you out on your Final Cut Pro journey. If you're an experienced Final Cut Pro user, this will help you out, and if you are a beginner, this will help you out as well. This channel will. On the screen here, you see our website, www.b3-studios.com. This is a site where we have plugins that are free, plugins that you have to pay for, so just go check the site out. I'm pretty sure there's something you would like there. There's a lot of effects that you can use in your everyday workflow in Final Cut Pro. Okay, now today we're going to go over just a couple of effects that were in Quavo and Future's Turn Your Click Up music video. So let's get right into it. So for the first effect is this loading bar right here. A lot of people ask me how this was done, and it's really simple. So you just go to YouTube and type in loading bar in the search bar, and it's probably a variety of ones that you can choose. There's one down here, there's one over here, but I'm just gonna choose this one. And you can just copy the URL link, and you can go to this site right here. I'm gonna put this in the description for you guys, and you just paste it. And you want to make sure that this is an MP4, so you want to convert it to an MP4, and after you convert it, it's gonna download, and click download. And wherever you want to save it at, just make sure you're aware of where you're saving it at. I'm going to put this in my downloads, and I'm going to save it. And now you can click on the download right here, and there it is right here that you downloaded it. So after that, you can just drag it into Final Cut Pro like we're about to do here. So I just drag it in here. So after we've dragged it in here, you see it's not the exact same thing as this. This one is kind of more grungy looking. And there's different ways to get this effect off. So I'm just gonna cut it to about right when it starts at 0%. I'm gonna chop this down, Command B to cut it on Mac, Control B to cut it on Windows. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the effects tab right here, and I'm going to go to all, and I'm going to type in add noise. So I'm just going to drop that down right here, and I'm going to go to white noise. And as you can see already, we have that grungy kind of look right here. You can turn the amount up if you want. I'm probably gonna put it at about 0.06. And then we can go to Gaussian blur. Right here, Gaussian right here. And you can decrease the amount. And that'll kind of give you that look that they had. It's not the exact same. You can also zoom it in as well, zoom the scale in. There's definitely another way that you can do that effect. So now we're gonna move on to our next effect, which is a zoom out effect that they have on these waves here. That might have been an in-camera effect, but we're just gonna try to replicate this in Final Cut Pro as an edit. So that's what we're gonna do here on these trees right here. So how to get away with this effect is you wanna start off with your keyframe to keyframe the scale right here. So at the very start of the clip, you're just gonna keyframe this the scale, and you're gonna just move it up. You're gonna move it up, and then you're gonna go towards the end or towards the halfway mark, and then you're gonna add another keyframe. And then after that keyframe, you're gonna move probably 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 3 frames, and then you're going to scale it out. So now when we play this back, it'll probably look something like the waves. You see that quick jump? Okay, we're gonna do this one more time, so let's reset this. So we are going to add a keyframe, push this in, and we're gonna go a couple frames in, add a keyframe, a couple more frames, add another keyframe, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna go back out to get that zoom out effect. So when we play this back, it was that little zoom out effect. You can over exaggerate it if you want. You can start it off even closer if you want to the trees like that. It's all up to you. But that's kind of that wave effect in Final Cut Pro. Now for this last effect, I'm gonna talk you guys through this effect instead of actually showing you in Final Cut Pro. But if you want me to show you in another video, just comment down below. But are these transitions. So this kind of blur shutter transition, they used it throughout the video. I'm pretty sure that this was done in camera. They probably had their shutter speed very low and did a fast camera jerk where there were lights, and they just used those for transition. As you can see here again, you see that those are probably lights and the shutter speed is low, and they just use that as a transition, as you can see, just like those transitions. So yeah, those are my tips and tricks for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want any other type of video effects, transitions, anything of that sort to help you guys out, please comment below, and I'll be sure to make a video for that. Like I said before, go check out our website, www.b3-studios.com, to get exclusive plugins that will help you in your everyday workflow. Some are free, some you have to pay for, but just go check that out. Thank you guys again for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.